Sir, you're muted. Hello, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, I was speaking. Okay, so 4 1s, 490s, 422s. Guys, there was a technical issue from my side, though. That is the reason I had to disconnect and join it again. 22s, 245s, 59s.
Sir, 46.
Where 46?
Sir, the answer is 46.
Acha. 59s, 56, 30, 56. So 9, 3 3s, 322s. 3 1s. Okay. 3 1s, 3 7s, 21 points something. So 3.14 into 7.3.
Sir, 46.05.
46.05.
05.
So yes, how many of you got this answer after simplifying?
Sir, I got.
Yes, very good. So this is how you can just go for the questions. So this type of questions you can get. The only thing it is you need to formula. You need to know the formula. First, you just understand whether you have this area of the sector and area of the segment, whether you have for your syllabus or not. Let us look at this. Look at this. Acha, we have syllabus. We have in that syllabus. Okay. So next we'll solve a question based upon segment. Hope you understood the last question. Find the area of the segment AYB. So he has given the question here. I mean figure. This is center. He has given some figure like this. This is AB. He has joined AB. Some point P given here. He has given 120 degrees. And this is 21. This is also 21 centimeters. Okay. So AYB. Okay. Shown in the figure. Okay. If the radius of the circle is 21 centimeters. 21 centimeters and angle AOB is equal to 120 degrees. Yes, make it fast. How can you solve this question? Quick.
Sir, area of sector minus area of triangle would give us area of the segment.
Okay. What's the answer?
Sir, which formula would you use to find the area of the isosceles triangle?
See here area of the segment AYB. Not AYB, AOB, sorry. Not AYB, AOB. Okay. So what is your doubt? I didn't get your doubt.
No, sir, I understood.
Yeah. What's the answer? No, find the area of the segment. Find the area of the segment. Very, very beautiful question actually. Very, very good question. देखो बेटा, very simple question as well. If you take the triangle AOB, आप AOB triangle को एक बार ले लीजिए. So what do you get? Wow. This is the center. A, OB. Okay, he has given this is a 21, this is a 21. So this is the midpoint. We know that this is a perpendicular bisector, which means it's make 90 degrees here. Okay. Perpendicular bisector means it makes 120 will be distributed into 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Yes or no? Yes or no? Huh. Solve the answer. What happened? Guys, this is A by B only. The part A by B, he has given some point Y here. हाँ अभी solve कीजिए. A by B only, but point given Y there, not B. Shada, whatever you told, that is absolutely right. You were saying something right. Area of the segment. मेरे को ये चाहिए. I need a area of the segment, the shaded part. Okay. Shut up. That is what you are saying. Shut up.
Yes, sir. I said area of the sector
Yes.
minus area.
Very good. Very good. You are right. So area of मुझे segment चाहिए, right?
Sir.
Which one? A YB segment. So here area of YB क्या क्या करना चाहिए मुझे? Area of the whole thing. Area of sector OAYB में से मुझे करना है area of this one. 1 second. एक मिनट. Let me write correctly. Area of this one minus area of triangle OAB. ठीक है? Yes. तो मेरे पास area of guys, just now we have solved area of OAB. ये क्या है मेरे पास? What is this? It is a sector. Formula क्या था? What was the formula? Theta by formula क्या था? Theta by
into pi r square.
Into pi r square. Very good. So
Sir, is it 154?
154. Calculate. You just calculate. What is
Sir,
that?
I got sector as 462.
Very good. देख लीजिए एक बार. We'll see.
Sir, when I subtract the area of the sector minus the triangle, I'm getting 462 minus 441 root 3 by 4.
Okay.
Sir, the segment I got it as 21 root 3 by 2.
Very good. Let's see 1 second. 7173. 12 121 123 3 will be getting cancelled. So 22 into 21. So how much? 22 into 21 how much? 400 and how much you told? 462 centimeter square area. Na? हाँ मेरा एरिया मिल गया। किसका एरिया मिला? देखो हम लोग थोड़ा ये डायग्राम को कॉपी
Sir, the
करके
sector.
नीचे रखते हैं। यस, नाउ लुक एट दिस बेटा,
462.
ध्यान से सुनिए। एरिया ऑफ ओ ए वाई बी आई गॉट। नाउ एरिया ऑफ ओ ए बी क्या होता है? वो ट्रायंगल है ना। एरिया ऑफ ओ ए बी क्या होता है? नाउ एरिया ऑफ ओ ए बी इज व्हाट? ट्रायंगल, राइट? हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट। हाफ इंटू बेस कितना है इधर? ए बी। यस और नो?
Sir, here we have to break it into two right triangles,
यस,
right
टू
angle
राइट एंगल
triangles, and then
ट्रायंगल।
use trigonometry
एग्जैक्टली,
for us
देखो
to
इसको।
find them.
हाँ देखो, नाउ वी हैव दिस वन, राइट? देखो ये वाला विल यूज दिस। यस और नो? वी हैव टू यूज दैट। वेरी गुड, फाइन। देखो ट्रायंगल ओ ए बी क्या होता है? बेस क्या है इधर? ये देखो, दिस इज, लेट्स से दैट दिस इज, मेरा कुछ भी एक पॉइंट ले लो, एक्स पॉइंट। तो मेरे पास ये है ओ एक्स इज अ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर नाउ। तो आई नो दैट गाइस ओ एक्स इज अ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, which means क्या होगा इधर? ax will be equal to xb. yes or no? How many of you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
yes. तो इधर मेरे पास क्या है? ox a is equal to एंगल oxb कितना है? 90 डिग्रीज। yes or no? मेरे पास
Yes,
दो,
sir.
yes we got two right angle triangles as Shadab said, as Shadab told here. We got two right angle triangles. So see here, I
Sir,
know that।
use sine 60 degrees.
अच्छा, साइन
Yes, sir.
60 यूज करेंगे तो हाँ वो भी हो जाएगा।
Opposite
Sin
by
60 equal to
hypotenuse.
P by 21.
साइन एंगल कितना है? 60 डिग्री। तो ऑपोजिट कितना है?
P by
एक्स
21.
एक्स बाई हाइपोटेनियस ए वो। तो मेरे पास √3/2 इज इक्वल व्हाट इज ax 21 बाई ए वो। तो हाउ मच यू गेट? ए वो इज इक्वल टू,
Sir, we should find AX, sir, not AO. AO is 21.
माय बैड, आई रोट उल्टा हियर। ये वो, अच्छा 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 अच्छा, उल्टा लिख दिया मैंने। एक मिनट, हाँ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट। वेरी गुड। सो ax हाउ मच बेटा? ax वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट ए वो
By
21 है।
21.
तो मेरे पास ax क्या आएगा? ax इज इक्वल 21 √3/2। yes or no? yes,
Yes, sir.
21 √3/2 ax. This is my ax.
Sir, find the area of one right angle triangle and then
What you have to find out? Find the area of the segment. Yes, we found that. Now ax value मेरे पास base. What is the base here? OAB, half into base AB, right? So ax AB. So AB is what now? AB is equal to what? AB is equal to what? 2 times of 21 √3/2.
21 √3.
So this will be getting 21 √3. Very very good. So base is what? 21 √3. What is height?
Sir, we have to find OX.
OX we have to find out. Height is OX here. Okay. मेरे पास ये है तो OX. So we need to find out that. For finding OX, what I need here?
We can use cos 60 degrees, adjacent by hypotenuse.
Yeah, exactly, cos 60 degrees. So this is for base. For finding the base, we found this. For finding the height, cos 60 degrees is equal to adjacent. What is adjacent? XO divided by AO. XO divided by AO. Cos 60 how much? 1/2. XO how much? We need to find out that by 21, isn't it? So x1 is equal to 21/2. We got this. So this is base, this is height. तो area of the triangle क्या होगा? OAB. Substitute here बेटा. तो half into 21 root 3 by 2. Oh my goodness, not 21 root 3 by 2, 21 मेरा ये हो गया मेरा बेस. Yes or no? So 21 root 3 into height. How much? 21 by 2. Yes or no? बराबर है ना? सही है ना?
Sir,
Beta.
is this formula applicable for all triangles?
Which formula?
Half into base into height.
Yes, you can use that thing as well. Heron's formula. You can use this. Yes, applicable for all the formulas. Heron's formula you can use. हमारे पास हाइट है, बेस है, तो कहाँ क्यों ना यूज करें दिस फॉर्मूला. तो व्हाट इज आंसर नाउ? 21 into 21 441 root 3 by 4. ये हो गया मेरा आंसर. किसका हो गया है? एरिया ऑफ द माई ट्राइंगल. तो एरिया ऑफ व्हाट वी नीड नाउ? एरिया ऑफ द
So, sir,
सेगमेंट.
subtract 462
Area of-
minus
Exactly.
this value.
Area of the segment A by B is equal to area of the sector. How much? 462 minus 441 by how much I got here? 441 by 4. So 441 root 3 by 4. तो ये हो गया मेरा आंसर. सेंटीमीटर एरिया तो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. हाउ मेनी हैव यू गॉट दिस? वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन. होप इट इज क्लियर. आपको थोड़ा
Sir,
समझ
we
में
have
आया?
to leave it just like this.
सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो. मैंने ऐसा छोड़ दिया भाई, ऐसा नहीं छोड़ना है. डिपेंड्स ऑन द ऑप्शन. देखो 460 into 4 1600 248. So 1848 minus 441 root 3 by 4. इसको ऐसे छोड़ दो. नहीं तो आपने क्या करोगे? रूट 3 का वैल्यू
Yes,
लिख
sir,
के
I got it
मल्टीप्लाई.
till here and I couldn't simplify.
No, look at this. You can simplify. Shut up. 441 into 1.732, right? इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करके 1848 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 1848. सो 441 into 1.732 कितना?
Sir, what's the value of root 3?
1.732. 1.732. This is the root 3 value. Root 2 value is 1.414. Like that approximately you can take.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. हाँ देखो, if you just multiply, I'm getting 763 something. Okay, so 1848 minus 441 into root 3 1763 81. तो minus 1868 तो कितना मिलेगा मुझे? डिवाइडेड बाय 4. नीड नॉट टू सॉल्व दिस मच, बट 4 पॉइंट कितना आता है? 18 ऐसा कुछ भी आ जाएगा. ठीक है, दिस वन विल बी योर आंसर. ठीक है. सी कैलकुलेशन यू कैन सॉल्व इट इजीली, बट टिल राइटिंग टिल दिस इज वेरी like necessary thing. Since it's like, guys, don't worry, need not to worry about that. He will not be giving this much big calculation, but if he gives also, he will be giving this thing in options. अगर दिया भी है, अगर एग्जाम में दिया भी है, तो this will be your option, not this one. Decimals में नहीं दिया होगा 100%. So yeah, mostly he'll be giving this option, so you can just put tick mark on that easily. All right, any doubts? So I
Yes,
hope
sir.
it is you guys clear with your segment and sector concept. So it is like somewhat
sir.
clear with you. And please do solve multiple questions. If you have still any doubts from the segment and sector of a circle, please do come up with those questions. We'll solve that, not an issue. All right, beta. All right.
Sir,
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
sir, I have doubt from my pre-board paper. Can I send the question in the WhatsApp?
Not now. Probably next class we'll solve. Yes, you can send
Yes,
it.
sir. Yes, sir.
Right
Next
now,
class.
yeah, we done. I have next thing. So
Yes.
okay, let's do that. Thank you, beta. Bye.
Yes,
Next class,
thank
you
you,
forgot without fail. You ask me. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye.